1:43 left in the game. Shoots it from the high post, and that one's good. ABC's got 44.
Hard to pick what I liked more, the killer crossover or the jump shot itself.
ABC buries it from 3.
3 points.
Toronto shooting around 59%. They've been outstanding on the offensive end. Pass to ABC. Gets the 14-footer to fall. ABC's got 46.
Now that's the kind of passing right there that makes a difference. Not just in that possession, but maybe on your play for the entire game.
And that one's good. ABC.
He means business. Unlikely to be a comeback on his watch.
Well, he's grabbed a tee and a blanket because he's putting this one to bed.
And the shot's good.
Coaching staff would like some more shots from that range.
Columbus is shooting about 70% from the floor. Hard to do better than that. Smart for 3. Another shot. Livingston, no good.
Well, that's how to protect the rim without fouling. Force him into an awkward release. A bit of an adjustment on the layup.
It's nice they found their rhythm here, but the clock is just not their friend.
Yeah, it's tough to mount a comeback like this and then fall oh so short. I'm sure that's weighing on them just a little bit.
Here's May, 6 to shoot. Puts up a deep 3. Roberts with a rebound. There's a 4-second difference between the shot and game clock. Got a hand on it. Out of bounds as Toronto keeps possession.
Checking in for Toronto, Sampson.
Here's Carr, tipped. Out of bounds as Toronto keeps possession.
The ball goes to Toronto.
Tries a 3 off the inbound. Sinks it from distance.
Well orchestrated, and then the pass is right on the money.
Here's ABC. The visiting club takes the win on the road.
That's the end of the
To walk
game.
into enemy territory and deliver a performance like that says a lot about this squad.
They really came in looking confident and didn't let anything shake.